In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix CaixaBankNow app not working. So if CaixaBankNow application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, the application should work. If the application still does not work, what you have to do is try fixing the bugs. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for CaixaBankNow. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for CaixaBankNow and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and the application will be updated. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for CaixaBankNow and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, you'll be able to find various options. Tap on the option storage and cache. Now over here you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache and the cache of the app will be cleared. After that, your problem should be solved. If the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, the application should start working. If the app still does not work, there might be some problem with the device itself. A simple restart can fix the temporary software glitches. So long press on the power button. Now tap on the option restart that you can see on the screen. After you do that, the device will be restarted and your problem should be solved. So this is basically how you solve your problem. So that is how you fix CaixaBankNow app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.